The best online business you can have is your own software app. It's a digital product with a global marketplace, generating revenue 24 hours a day. You don't need to be a programmer, and you don't need any technical experience. Now you can launch your own online software business with our range of white label software. We have a range of software platforms you can choose from: CRM software, project and task management software, fans platform, AI tools platform, e-commerce store platforms, and more. You select your software platform and we'll set it up under your own domain name, your own branding, your own everything. We hand over to you your custom branded online platform that's ready to start making money. All you need to do is set up your subscription packages and prices, and you're ready to attract subscribers and start making money online. Are you ready to join the thousands of software entrepreneurs making money online? Are you ready for a major lifestyle change with an online business, filling up your bank account around the clock? Get started now and launch your own software today with SaaS.